give me a chance to go home, get a little cup of
sad,
coffee,
too sad, too sad.
hang out, you know.
I didn't want to go, I would normally wait and go on Tuesday, but
Yeah, I was
But
thinking
I-
that too, but I just have money, and I'm gonna be in that area anyway.
Yeah,
I'm not intending on buying it, you know, maybe I'll find another.
I only want to look for that little thing.
Yeah, oh, there you go. Yeah, it'll probably still be there, it'll still be there.
Whatever, just take it.
Yeah.
Alright, see you now.
See you.
Well, don't tease her too much.
All right, have a good night.
All right, thank you. Take care, Ron, see you
All right.
tomorrow.
Okay.
All right, I did.
You can talk if you want. You can talk if you want. You're welcome to talk.
Okay.
We're welcome. We can talk. Well, that's wonderful. I have a little cordial, some medication for the evening hour. Why don't you just buy a bottle of this, that would be appropriate. All right, this is from Jose, as he texted you.
Yeah, he told me.
This is from me. For all the things you do.
No, I think.
Together should be considerable. Not fabulous, but considerable.
Well, thank
Thank you. Always thank you. I don't know how to thank you enough. I got some people, today was a productive day. They're gonna help me get my part, pay for my part B. I won't have to pay a premium anymore. That's more money in my pocket, that's like another $200.
Yeah, I know.
And I'm not going to, they're gonna help me find emergency housing. Temporary, which is all I need, so you can have your peace. And then, go from there, still working on everything. I called RAF today, they said you have to call SMOC. SMOC already closed my case, so I have to call SMOC, and they're in Framingham, I think they're in the same building as TTA, I'm not sure, yeah. So I may have to make a visit there. I'll call them, and if I have to reapply, I can reapply, I have all the paperwork. I just have this, I don't have termination voucher. I explained it to them, but they didn't, obviously, either they didn't read it or they didn't accept it. So I'm working on that too. Plus, I'm still looking, I mean, they said the first week of February, Flo was telling me there's a couple things opening up.
Oh, that's.
It's all pricey, it's all expensive,
Oh,
but I can always apply for assistance.
I think you should be nice to the kitty.
After you can talk. Then I'm just making a video.
Okay.
Like 20 cats.
David. I used to go watch David Muir and
I like David Muir, but,
Strategy.
he's never there. Always someone's filling in for him. He's got too many other things going.
Like Norvell. And tomorrow, we get to go back to that show that we watched. I believe it's tomorrow, it's today.
It's on tonight, but I don't know what time. It'd probably be better to watch it like 7. I don't know if it's gonna be tonight. I think it's 9 o'clock.
It might be right. Check.
That's your avatar.
All this scan.
Scam, 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 scam. Scam, scam. Oh. Alex.
Henry, take it easy with that, okay?
Okay. Just making a funny video.
Okay. That's fine.
mine. It says, I just, by the time I get it, you got it already. Okay, cool.
No?
Yep.
Let's have some red
1923.
juice. Red juice, red juice.
Yes, 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 yes.
1923.
Amazing.
What do you want to eat tonight, Henry? Chicken nuggets
Yes.
from home?
Yes.
Ooh, bless you.
Well, that was a kicker. Wow.
What's this? What's this?
I don't know.
Is this Godzilla?
It just started. Grandma put it on. Godzilla King of Monsters.
Wow. I never watched that
Oh
before.
my goodness, look at this guy.
Looks pretty cool,
It does look
but
pretty
not
cool.
to her for some reason.
Well, she just lost her home and everything on it. And the people.
Now she lives there.
I guess she was when she was little. because she's the little girl in the picture. Now she's an adult person.
Why did they kill the Titan?
I don't know.
Okay, let me get back
Yes,
to my
get back to your
video.
project. I'm watching this.
Oh, hello, Daddy. I'm making, what? I'm making a funny video.
Oh, cool.
Whoa! 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 That's kind of cool. Wow. Says, hey, Dad, something. So, hey, Dad, sorry I haven't been.
That's a good savings. What are you doing? I burned birthday. They're trying. It's okay.
Whoa! I crumbled. Whoa! No, that's really I crumbled. Look.
Oh, no. Do that.
Uh-oh. They're in California. Uh-oh. That was an earthquake. Back.
Ooh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh, sorry about that. Whoa.
Oh, it's Mothra.
Mothra.
Mothra. M-O-N.
Like monster?
It's a butterfly, basically. It's a moth, giant moth. In Japan, they call them moths. It's pretty cool. Don't forget, it's a monster.
Get out of the way, don't attack. My lord.
Don't freeze it. A little angry.
What do I like? Ah, what do I like? What do I like?
Henry, am I making chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
Okay. Just checking.
Ooh, stinky.
Swanky?
Stinky. Just listening to myself. Yeah, that just ruins it. They want to steal it. And kidnap these two.
Whoa.
The monsters. I just put something on.
I know. But you know, it's kind of interesting. It's just, it's so ridiculous. And it's supposed to be that way. That's how Japan originally made it. There was a giant moth, there was a turtle, there was a gorilla, all kinds of monsters fighting each other. territory or whatever. Let's see, but maybe it's something like Mothra. Giant moth. It's almost hysterical to tears. I haven't seen it in years. The first is Saturday. I mentioned that's when we'll get our food stamps, which might not consist of anything.
Derek says on the second.
Oh,
I don't get mine till the 7th, but I only get $23.
that's all I get. I still don't understand why that's all you get, but I guess if they're talking about.
Because of, I get
Household.
probably because I get cash benefits too, but still,
Oh,
it doesn't matter.
no, it doesn't.
I'd have to get at least
You'd have to get twice as much as what you get.
$200 a week.
Yeah. And I think they understand the need of that. But I would think I would reevaluate how long has this person been in the program as opposed to the new ones? And why are we giving $2,500 a month to the Asians? They're not even American citizens. I don't get it. I don't get it.
You scared me, Mama.
All I know is that they.
What do they think you're gonna buy? $23 a month?
Scared me, Mama.
Barely,
They won't even buy one meal.
Mark had his home obviously. He must have gone a different way to avoid
actually-
them. They were
Yeah.
still in front of the laundromat. I couldn't believe it.
I actually talked to Crystal, my caseworker, I says, Crystal,
Oh, I'm in the video,
you-
sorry.
can you live on $23 a month
Mhm.
just on food? How am I supposed to do that?
Henry's making a video.
I know. He's been doing it for like an hour, so it's a long one. Ooh.
So if you have nothing, you get everything. If you have something, you get nothing. Or little.
Well, pretty much getting nothing, to be honest with
That's what she said.
Or in pajamas, or in
I'll call back.
pajamas.
Aw.
I don't know how long I'll be able to hold on. I mean, after all the outgoing, I got nothing left.
you. I mean, food is, it's crazy. Chicken used to be cheap.
It used to be
That
the
little-
cheapest thing
This,
you would
like
buy.
this.
Other than
Six-
hot dogs.
6 bone, and they're not cheap either.
No. $7.
$5.99 for those thing of natural casings.
Yes, and if you get the Diddy Moores are 7. Sometimes you can buy one, get one free, but $14
That
for
little
two-
thing of chicken was 6 boneless thighs. It was almost $10.
That's
Make her see
ridiculous.
like this.
I wish somehow you had a farm or a place that had some chickens. Make a killing.
Don't think I couldn't.
You don't want
Yeah, she might be underneath
like
that.
slaughtering chicken.
Well, it's over
Well,
there.
not a lot. I mean, I have
some
looked on the
reason.
farm before. That's all they did.
Me too.
For a long,
Grew
long
up
time.
there, but
Chickens,
we did
cows.
chickens. Me too. I saw a cow getting,
Yeah, me too. It's not fun, but that's what happens. But the chickens, they keep on giving. I mean, if you get the right chickens and you raise them, they don't take much. I mean, yeah, they do blah, 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 but if you have a couple dozen, that's it.
yeah, but the only reason my parents had chickens was for eggs.
Yeah. And you know what eggs are going up to? You'd be lucky to get eggs for 10 or 12 bucks. As soon as that hits the market.
No, it hasn't gone, they're not that bad yet.
Well, it's going up 20%. And I don't know when that 20% is gonna reach us, but I won't be able to afford to carry eggs.
Who just walked
I
by
was
the
just chasing
street
for 'em.
and it
It's
was close to it. Very
Are you
close.
sure you wanna just keep that video rolling? That's a long time. Don't ask me to watch it, and I don't like walking by it, because I don't wanna be in it.
And it's going to actually
But it's
use
fine
up all
to
your
me,
memory,
you know.
and it'll stop working. And you won't be able to.
Yeah.
You don't have to be in the video.
Yes, but you're gonna use up all your memory, and then you're gonna be upset because there's no room to do anything else on it.
And then you lock up your flat tablet, and because it can't run. You won't be able to run the video because of error. It'll say memory exceeded. So you don't want to do that. So cut it short, do some editing, and then loop it. And you have a little video.
You're probably right.
Well, I think Grandma's pretty much right.